let's look at some of the options that we have to trim the Ouroboros strokes. So I'm going to select this line and apply Ouroboros. That will give me 3 strokes, and I'm just going to add 2 more like this. All right, so now to trim these strokes, I'm just going to add a trim path manually like this. And this way I can trim the end and also the start, and I can also offset these strokes. Now you can see with this particular way of trimming these paths, that the line travels, but the color behind it stays in the same place. So you can get some really interesting effects with this. Now another way to trim these strokes is by using a module. So I'm going to just delete this trim path and apply it over here. And now you can see that the Ouroboros effect becomes active and we'll have the same controls over here. You can trim the end and trim the start. And if I move the offset, you can actually see that this way the colors actually travel with the stroke. Now with modules come a couple more advanced features, like you could, for example, activate the random control as well. So if you click on this dice icon, you get 2 more sliders over here. And the first one controls the length of the strokes. So each stroke will get a different length. And with the second slider, you can offset the strokes randomly on the line. Now, if you don't like this specific arrangement, you can also change the random seed up here to a different number, and then you'll get a different result. And if you prefer to use a button for that, you can also click this icon in the function section, and that will change the random seed to a different number. Now we can also trim the entire stroke, but for that we'll need the setMat module and the link module, and I'll show how that works in the next video. You can find the download link for Ouroboros in the description and more tutorials on this channel. Please comment with any questions that you have, and I'll aim to answer them in one of the next videos. Take care.